Recording in progress.
See, you're learning MVC architecture. MVC architecture diagram I'll open. See, yesterday I explained this diagram. First of all, we'll send the request from HTML. So first you'll send the request to HTML. HTML output comes. After getting this output, you will enter hall ticket number. You'll click on submit button. Then Sowlet received. This hall ticket number received by Sowlet. This Sowlet will pass the hall ticket number to DAO class. It returns result bin. It returns result bin. Now, here one method we have tried. That method name get result. Already we decided. That method should take one hall ticket number. That should return one bin class. This is our task. Okay. See here. Already Sowlet we written yesterday. I didn't save, I think. Okay, 1 minute. This is all right. I didn't save. That's what it is vanished. See. First, receiving hall ticket number from HTML page. What will write? String SA equal to request dot get parameter. Okay. String request dot get parameter. Parameter name HNO. Now, this string format to integer format you have to convert. How will convert? Integer hall ticket number integer dot parseInt. Yes. Now, this hall ticket number we have to pass to this class. First, this class object required. Result DAO RDAO equal to new result DAO. Object created. With this, get result method I'll call. Return type is result bin. RB equal to RDAO dot get result. Here, hall ticket number. So, this class we have to write. In that class, this method we have to write. That method will take integer. That method will return result bin. Okay. Next. For this RB, you have to set as attribute. What we have to write? Request dot set attribute. Attribute name, suppose result. Okay, result RB. Here upcasting valid. This is we have to forward to JSP. Result.jsp. Forwarding, how will write? Request dispatcher. RD equal to request dot get request dispatcher. Get request dispatcher JSP. Result.jsp. Result.jsp. Okay. RD dot forward. See, this is our task. Here we are getting two errors. This class not there, this class not there. That is the reason two errors. Okay. This program you have seen yesterday. That is over. Now DAO class I'll write. MVC here. Right click, new class. Now class name result DAO. Result DAO finish. Now it is on class. In this class, already we decided method name. Method name is get result. Return type is result bin. Parameter is integer hall ticket number. Okay. Now here return type result bin. Method name get result, which will take hall ticket number. This is our method. Okay. Now this hall ticket number we have to check whether it is there or not. If it is there, we have to send result. First, connection establishment required. How will write connection establishment? Class dot for name. What will write? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Loading establishing connection. Connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. How many parameters? 3. Which type? String type. What is first string? URL. What is the URL? JDBC colon Oracle colon 10 colon at localhost colon 1521 XE. Next, system. Next, manager. Okay. Connection established. Now, this hall ticket number we have to check. Now, select query we have to write. That is static query or dynamic query or PLSQL program. Which one required? Now, static SQL query or dynamic SQL query or PLSQL program. Which one? Dynamic SQL query. For dynamic SQL query, which interface required? Statement or prepared statement or callable statement? Prepared statement. What we have to write? Prepared statement PSTMT equal to con dot prepare statement. Here query. What we have to write? Select star from the table name. Results. Select star from results. Where hall ticket number equal to question mark. Select a star from results. Select star from results where hall ticket number equal to question mark. This question mark value we have to set. How to set? Prepared statement dot set. Which method? Set int. Question mark number 1. Hall ticket number. Now, is it DDL query or DML query, DQL query? DQL. Which method you have to call? Execute query. Return type? Result set. What we have to write? Result set RS equal to prepared statement dot execute query. If RS dot next. If RS dot next. Suppose if you want to print, how will print? Suppose if you want to print, how will print? System dot out dot println RS dot get int column number 1. That is hall ticket number. System dot out dot println RS dot. Here how many fields are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hall ticket number, name, C, C++, Java. 5. Next, what will write here? Get string 2. Now next. Next, what will write? System dot out dot println RS dot get in 3. C language marks. Next, system dot out dot println rs dot get in 4. C++ marks. System dot out dot println rs dot get in 5. Okay. Now, actually, we should not print. In the diagram, you observe the data, whatever it is, comes here in result set. This is we have to set in bean class. We have to set in bean class. So we should not print. We have to place in bean class. Bean class nothing but setter methods you have to call. So here first bean class object you have to create. Now here result bean rb equal to new result bean. Okay. Here in the place of system dot out dot println rb dot set hall ticket number. So setter method. Here in the place of system dot out dot println rb dot set name. In the place of here system dot out dot println rb dot set c. Those methods we have to write. Next rb dot set cpp. Next rb dot set java. So whatever we received from database, say the hall ticket number we received here. That hall ticket number I passed to query. This data received. That data through setter method I placed here. Okay. See, observe in this program what I written. See here. Here hall ticket number received. Hall ticket number received. Driver class loaded. Connection established. One dynamic query prepared. Select star from results where hall ticket number equal to question mark. The question mark filled here. It is incomplete query here completed. Result set generated. That result set data we placed in bean class through setter methods. This bean we have to return. This bean we have to return. See here after this return RB. Returning completed. Okay. Now these all methods throws exceptions. So you have to write try catch blocks. Now class not found exception, SQL exception, this is okay. Now result set bin, this is we have to write, not written. That's what that error. Now this result set bin we have to write. Okay. Now this is DO class. Here just it will receive hall ticket number, driver class loaded, connection established. Here prepared statement, one dynamic SQL query prepared. Okay. Dynamic SQL query prepared. After this, here result set generated. Result set data I placed it in bean. That bean I am returning. That bean I am returning. Okay. Now you observe we are getting result set bean cannot be resolved because that class we didn't write. Okay. That class we didn't write. That's what that class place only you are getting error. Okay. That class place only you are getting error result bin. Now we are write result bin. See, right click, new class, result bin, finish. Now after writing this class, you observe here no error, but here you are getting error. What is this error you see? Set these all methods not there. Okay. See These methods I'll write. Here, private integer hall ticket number, private string name, private integer C, private integer CPP, private integer Java. These all setter getter methods we have to write. Already shortcut key given. Alt Shift S or select all, generate. See all setter methods, getter methods. Shortcut key given already, setter getter. So now you can check here. Now here, no error. Okay. Now here, no error, but here error is there, you observe. Here, this method must return a result of result type. Reason, this is in try block. Suppose here exception occurred, control jumps to catch block, then it will not return, no. That is the reason you are getting error. This is you can write outside the catch block. Return RB. But now here error comes. This results been not accessible. See, not accessible. See, cannot be resolved. This is you have to declare as a outside result bin. Result bin RB. Then here you write only RB, instance variable. Now it's over. You can see. Gone. That error gone, no? Now, once you observe, in this program, only data access logic is there. Only data access logic. You observe what I given, see. In the result solid, see, now these two errors also gone. Now, result DAO class object I created. Okay, result DAO class object I created. With that object reference, I'm calling get result method. With that object reference, I'm calling get result method. So get result method, which will take hall ticket number, which will return result bin, which will take one hall ticket number, which is going to return result bin. Now you observe, get result is a method. Get result is a method which will take hall ticket number, which will return result bin. Okay. Here, get result method. It is called from solid. It is called from solid. See here, solid will pass this hall ticket number to DAO class. This DAO class returns result bin. So that is I return here. Get result. It will take hall ticket number. It returns result bin. Now first result bin empty reference created. Driver loaded, connection established, one dynamic query prepared, the hall ticket number settled, query executed. This data retrieved from database. That database data I placed in bin class through setter methods. Through setter method, data placed in bin class. Okay. See, this hall ticket number I passed to database. This data retrieved, that is result set. That is I placed in bin class through setter methods here. Here, hall ticket number, name, C, C++, Java, setter and getter methods. That class also I return. This is. Okay. Now, write this DAO class. This class name, result DAO dot Java. Write is clause. Result DAO.java. Good. Is it over? See, in this program, what we did, we received hall ticket number from which program? Receiving hall ticket number from which program? Solid. From Solid, we received hall ticket number. Okay. That hall ticket number I passed it to database. Then we retrieved the data. That data stored in result set. That result set data I placed it in bean class. Through setter method, I placed it in bean. Now data present in the bean class. So data present in the bean class. Here bean object created. Whenever object is created, memory allocated to instance variables. In that variables, this data placed. So we retrieved data from database, we placed it in bean. That's it. Now that data will display in JSP. See. Is it over? You observe, hall ticket number you will type in HTML program. When you click, this hall ticket number comes to Solid. That hall ticket number I pass it to DAO class. This hall ticket number I pass it to database. We got the data. Result set. That data we placed it in bean through setter methods. I pass it here. This reference only I pass it to Solid. That reference I pass it to JSP. In the JSP, we'll retrieve the data from bean class. We'll print. Okay. Now bean class. This program also write it. Result bean.java. Note on. Result bean.java. Result bean.java. Note on. Over. Not over. So setter getter methods automatically generated. Alt Shift S, then R, the shortcut key. Already given. So it will receive data from DAO class. The data placed in variables, instance variables. Okay. Through setter methods. Through setter method, data placed in instance variables. That is the concept. Is it completed? See. See, hall ticket number received, that is passed to DAO class. Again, it is passed to database. Retrieve data from database, that is placed here. Bean class through setter methods. That reference returned to solid. That is forwarded to JSP. This program we are right now. So right click, new JSP. Result.jsp. Next, finish. Now get attribute method you have to call. Get attribute method. Set attribute method you have seen here. Here, set attribute you have seen here in solid program. See here. Request dot set attribute. Here first parameter string. I passed string only. Second parameter object. I passed result bean. Is it valid? How it is valid? Upcasting. Result bean is a subclass of object class. So upcasting. Now get attribute method you have to call here. Get attribute. Get attribute method if you want to call. Request dot get attribute. What is the return type? Return type is object type. So object O equal to request dot get attribute. Attribute name is result. Attribute name is result. Here I given attribute name result. Now it returns object class format. But actually which format required? Result bean required. Result bean. Result bean. Now get attribute method returns object class object. Object class object assigned to bean class. Is this line is valid? Is it valid? Why it is not valid? It is downcasting. Downcasting must be done by a programmer explicitly. So in the brackets, what you have to write? Result bean. Okay. This line where we have to write which element? Scriptlet. So scriptlet. scriptlet, but still you are getting errors. Reason, this bean class available in package we have to import in JSP. So otherwise MVC dot here, MVC dot, like this you can write. Okay. Attribute. Now say get attribute. Now it's clear now. Either import the package or fully qualified name you can write. Now we got it. After getting this one, RB dot getter methods you can call. These all get all ticket number, get name, get C language, get C++ you can write. You can display output. Output if you want to display. Say RB dot get hall ticket number. This is your right. Hall ticket number written and printed. Then which element required? Which element required to print? Which element? Expression. Expression. So expression. It returns directly till print. Now hall ticket number printed. If you want, you can display like this. Hall ticket number. Next, name of the candidate. RB dot get name. C language marks. RB dot get C. C++ marks. RB dot get CPP. Java. RB dot get Java. Over. Now, if I run this program, hall ticket number, name, C++ Java comes. But this table should exist in a database. Okay. This may be already present. I'll show you. In previous batches, I taught same table is there. Run SQL command line. If not there, we have to create. Here, select star from results. The table is there. Say, okay, hall ticket number 1 is there, 1 and 2. Okay, whatever it may be, but fields are same. Hall ticket number, name, C++ Java. Okay. Hall ticket number 1, hall ticket number 2 is there. Okay. Here I given some 1000, 1000 like that. Okay. That may be 1, 2, 3 you can enter. Now, if I run this program, you observe, right click, run on server, save, select the server, next, finish. Here, what we have tried? Result.html. Enter hall ticket number. Just 1 and 2 only is there. Okay, 1. Enter hall ticket number 1. If I click on submit button, hall ticket number received by Soulet, it will pass to DAO class. It will pass to database. It gets the data, result set, that is placed in bean through setter method. That reference passed to Soulet. Soulet will pass forward it to JSP. JSP communicates with bean to get the data. That data printed. See, if I click submit, see hall ticket number 1, name, C++ Java. We didn't write HTML colors, all those things. That's not plain text. Line break also I didn't write, all displayed. If you want, you can write line break, all those things here. In this JSP, you can write. Okay, you can write here level 1 heading. Now, line break. If you want table format, table tags also you can write. Now, see, if I run now, result.html, say hall ticket number 1, submit. Say hall ticket number, name, C plus Java, back. If I write 2, say hall ticket number, name, C plus Java. Here, if you want to update, it is very simple now. Okay. Now, first you write this one. Result.jsp. Note on result.jsp. Here explicitly we have to convert, because by default it returns object. Object class we are converting into bean class. Explicit type conversion required. It is downcasting. That's what these brackets result bean. Downcasting. Downcasting must be done by programmer explicitly. Otherwise compile time error. Okay. Here all ticket number printed, name printed, C printed, C++ printed, Java printed. See, writing program little complicated, but maintaining, updating, it is very easy. Suppose here you observe in this program. Is it completed? Writing is over. See, here you will enter hall ticket number. You will enter hall ticket number. When you click on submit button, this output coming. So actually, how many programs are running? How many? 5, one XML also. Total 6 programs are running. XML also is there. XML automatically generated, no? Total 6 programs are running. In 6 programs, graphical user interfaces. How many are there? 2. This is one interface. This is one interface. This is 2 user interfaces. If you want to update, if you want to modify, if you want to design more attractive, what are the programs you have to update? One HTML program, one JSP program. While modifying these two, no effect on other code. It is very easy to update. See, if you want to modify, this is here, anytime you can modify. Here, what is there? Here only this is JSP. Data only JSP, calling methods only. Remaining you can modify. So if you want to update graphical user interface, if you want to update presentation logic, it is very easy to update. No effect on other programs. So if you want to design more attractive result.html, result.jsp, 2 programs you have to update. This logic, 99.9% cases will never update, will never modify. That is always fixed. Always it will receive request from HTML, it will pass to DAO, it returns bin, that will forward. Always this is same will be there. That is controlling. Everything controlled by Solid. Here, if you want to change the database, which program you have to change? DAO class. Here you can update. At the time, no effect on other programs. At the time, no effect on other programs. If you want to add some other fields, you can add here. At the time, here one more setter method you have to call. Here one more getter method you have to call. That's it. So anytime you can update bin also, this DAO also, HTML also, JSP also. This one we won't update. Same will be there always. Now writing program complicated, but maintaining and updating it is very easy with MVC. See, now you observe here and here only presentation logic is there. See, maximum HTML code is there. That's it. Here HTML code and HTML program also HTML code here. Here HTML, here HTML. 2 places HTML. That is anytime you can update. Total JDBC code here only. Here bin, only variable names. Variable setter getter data. So it is very easy to update, very easy to maintain this type. But writing program complicated, no? That is one disadvantage. That is the reason only frameworks came. Now these links already present. Now in frameworks, this class doesn't appears to you. This class doesn't appears to you. Remaining all appears. Open, modify, deploy. That is only framework. So whatever you are feeling difficult now, that is framework available. That is predefined. Now any MVC framework you can understand with this knowledge. After joining in the company, they may give other MVC also. MVC frameworks also many are there. See, MVC frameworks. Like MVC framework for Java, MVC frameworks for like this. So many are there. List of frameworks. Spring MVC is there. Wicket MVC is there. List of MVC frameworks for Java. See how many are there? See 14 plus. See these many frameworks will be there. Other than these also will be there. After joining the company, what they are going to give, you cannot predict. Whatever they give, you can learn, you can do it. That type. Okay. Say, like this, so many frameworks are there. So many frameworks are there in the market. Any framework you can understand like this only will be there. Okay. This is about MVC. Last concept, reflection. Note. Reflection API. It is used to analyze the structure of a class or interface. It is used to analyze the structure of a class or interface. Any class structure, any interface structure, you can analyze. It is also used to get the variables, methods, and constructors of a class. It is also used to get the variables, methods, and constructors of a class. This API used in developing IDEs. Integrated development environments. This API used in developing IDEs. See, what this class will reflection will do is, whichever class you specify, that class loaded, that class reflected, all methods are displayed. For example, in Eclipse, request dot, if you write, all methods comes no, with this API only coming. Request dot you'll write, then Servlet request interface loaded, all methods are reflected. That is only reflection. And the Java P command you studied, no? Java P. Java P, one class name will write, that class loaded, that class reflected. With that only list of methods comes. Java P command also developed with this concept only. Note, this API used to develop Java P tool also. This API used to develop Java P tool also. You can use to develop Java P tool. You can develop your own Java P tool also. It is very simple. I'll show you. Like a Java P command, we can create. See. You studied already class. Java P, java.lang.class. This class only contains methods. First, what is the methods and class are there? I'll give. Note on java.lang.reflect package. Classes. Class names are field. Class name is method. Class name is constructor. Class name is field. Class name is method. Class name is constructor. Class name field is there. Class field nothing but variable. Class name method is there. Class name constructor also is there. Class name only field. Class name only method. Class name only constructor. These all are present in reflect package. Reflect package is present in lang package. Lang is default, but reflect is not default. Explicitly you have to import. Java.lang package default package, but reflect is another sub package of lang package. It is not a default. You have to explicitly import. Then only works. Is it over? Say your methods already you studied for name method. For name method you have studied. For loading a class or loading interface, we can use this class. It is not only for JDBC driver, any class. Other class methods, see here so many methods are there, you observe. New instance, you can create object with this class. Is instance, is it instance or not? Is interface, is it array, is it primitive, is it annotation? Like this, you can find out all about this, about class. You can analyze. Get superclass, get generic superclass, get package. See, subclasses, superclass also you can find out. So many are there. Just I'll show you how to use. With that later you can check it. You can call the methods. Many methods are there. Actual usage of reflection API, I'll show you. All right, this one. Get fields, you'll get it fields. Get methods, you'll get a methods. Get constructors, you'll get a constructors. Get fields means fields comes. Get methods means methods comes. Get constructors means constructor comes. Constructor is also one class. Field also one class. Method also one class. Your class name or interface name you can write. That class loaded. With that, these methods you can call. Get fields if you call, fields comes, nothing but variables. Get methods if you call, methods comes. Get constructors if you call, constructor comes. But field also class, method also class, constructor also class. Class name, class you have seen. Class name, object you have seen. Class name, method is there. Class name, constructor is there. Class name, field also is there. Now, whichever are these instance methods or class methods? These three. Instance method. For calling this one, class object required. Here return type is class no. If we call this method, class comes. With that, these methods you can call. So no need to create object. See, one program I'll show you, just like a Java P. Writing is over. See, first, for name method we have to call. For name method return type is class. Class C. After that, class dot for name. Here, can I write args of 0? Yes or no? What is args of 0 here? What is args of 0? Command line arguments. Command line arguments. In core Java you studied. Here args of 0, command line argument. At the command prompt you can pass. It will receive. With this C, can I call get methods? What is the return type? Method array. What we have to write? Method array m equal to C dot get methods. This array, how to iterate? For each loop. What we have to write? For method m2 colon m. One iterated, you can print system dot out dot println m2. This class in which package? Java dot lang. Is it required to import? No. This method in which package? Reflect. Is it required to import? Yes. Import java dot lang dot reflect. Get methods and for name method throwing exceptions. You have seen class not found exception, security exception. How to handle? Try catch blocks. File save. You observe Java C demo.java. Java demo. After this, one class name you have to pass. One class name you have to pass. That class will be loaded. That class will be loaded with this method. That class methods stored in array. One method displayed. See, java.lang.string. See, our program working like a Java P, no? See, Java P, java.lang.string, Java P command. It is showing like this only, no? Now our program working, Java demo, java.lang.string, string class methods, Java P, java.lang util.string tokenizer. See, string tokenizer methods. Java P I used, Java demo, java.util.string tokenizer. See, string tokenizer methods. Java P, java.lang.object. It is with the Java P. With this is only with the Java our program. Java demo, java.lang.object. So, but I am displaying only methods, but that is displaying variable method constructor. You can display because other methods are there, no? Get fields, variables, get constructors. This is the purpose of reflection. Whatever class you want, that is loaded, all methods, variables, constructor reflected. Okay. Write this one example. So whichever class you pass at the command prompt, that is received, that is loaded. From that, methods are retrieved. One method, M2 copied, printed. So in the reflection API, there are so many other methods are there. Those are just method calling only. Okay. You can find out that method, how many, what are the, which access modifier is there, what are the other modifiers are there, whether it is throwing exception or not, whether it is array or not, whether it is object or not, that type methods also. Analyzing purpose. One object comes from server. That object, which class object, which class reference, that superclass, that subclass, methods, variables, constructor, all you can find out with this. Okay. Suppose, example, you have seen just now, result bean RB. This RB, I pass it to JSP. That RB refers which object? Maybe subclass object also refers, no? Maybe subclass object also refers. That subclass object you can find out, that methods you can find out, variables you can find out, constructors you can find out, superclasses list you can find out, subclass interface you can find out, all possible. About that, you can analyze everything. That purpose reflection. Okay. This is not much important. This program enough. And with this knowledge, other methods you can call. Up to here, course is completed. Okay. My duty completed, your duty not completed. Okay. Until you reach your target, you have to practice. It is not going to end until you reach your target. For getting more knowledge, you refer these all. First, whatever I taught, that my notes you refer. Okay. Next, for getting more knowledge, Java EE tutorials. Okay. For getting more knowledge, Java EE tutorials from Sun Microsystem. Nothing but Oracle Corporation now. Okay. Official tutorial I'm saying. Official tutorial. See, if you open here, Java EE tutorial, Oracle. You'll get it here. This is Java EE tutorial. This is I'm saying table of contents. See here, web services, web tier. Here Soulets will be there. Here Java Soulet technology. Here Java EE tutorial. See, this is totally available. Okay. This is Java EE tutorial. First, you refer my notes. Next, Java EE tutorials from Oracle website. Next, core Soulets. One book is there. Book also is there. Website also is there. Core Soulets. Next, SCWCD books. That is OCWCD now. Oracle Web Component, Oracle Corporation Web Component Developer Books. Any author. SCWCD are OCWCD books. These are Sun certification exam purpose prepared books. Those books, exact information will be there. Unnecessary things will not be there. That's what these books. Sun certified web component developer. OCWCD, Oracle Corporation Web Component Developer. SCWCD book or OC, old book or new book, any book. Okay. Just if you type in Google, say SCWCD books. Here, so many books available. See, SCWCD books. These are many are there. Any author you can select. Okay. SCWCD books. This is SCJP for core Java. This is a nice book. This I given already. In core Java class I given. This is core Java purpose. This is the best book. SCJP by Kathy Sira. This is author also I'm giving. This is for core Java. But this book, if you want to read, more patience required. Okay, more patience required. These are for advanced Java. Advanced Java, these all refer. Core Java, this one refer. Okay. Still, if any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. venkatesh.mansani@yahoo.com. This is my mail ID. But you'll get a reply only on Sundays. Already told you. Okay. This is my mail ID. Spelling also write clearly. Venkatesh.mansani. It is my surname. It is my name. It is yahoo.com. That is before Gmail only I prepared. That is only I'm continuing. Okay. Before Gmail, Yahoo was there. Yahoo Mail. So Gmail is recently came. Yahoo previously. Since 30 years also Yahoo was there. See, these all you refer. These all you refer for advanced Java. This is refer for core Java. Okay. If still any doubts are there, I can mail to my mail ID. Okay. I'm wishing you all the best. Now you can attend development security operations class also. Spring Boot and microservices classes also. These classes you can attend. Parallelly also you can attend Spring Boot and microservices classes. And in full stack Java, Spring is included, Spring Boot not included. Spring included, Spring Boot not there, not included. You have to learn separate Spring Boot and microservices. Spring Boot and microservice separate course, not included in full stack Java. Okay. So now you can attend parallelly, both possible. Spring, so full stack Java student, you attend. One is Spring class. Second one, development security operations. For learning Spring Boot, Spring basics also required. Okay. All the best. Okay. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. DevOps is different. Development security operations is different. This is different. This is different. These two not same. This is separate course. These are only Java tools. Only Java tools. Deployment, security purpose tools are there. Those tools only will learn. But DevOps is separate course, that is. That another course. Okay. Hibernate not included. Okay. Yeah, thank you all. Online students, any doubt? Yeah. Online students, yeah. My new core job batch not yet decided. Recently started. It takes time. And yeah, Shashi Kumar, you can attend interviews. Yeah, I'll check the mail. Abhi. Sandhya. Here they divided to faculties. So they assigned only core and advanced. That's what I'm teaching here, only core and advanced. They divided to faculties. Other faculties will cover Spring Boot microservices. Saroj, Spring Boot different. One is XML, one is web services. One is annotations. Hitesh, advanced Java, that is Google Classroom, you contact admin only. This is admin number, you can contact. Hussein, Faraj Hussein, that is you contact admin only. Spandana, whatever I taught, all important only. All important only. Project means at least one. Project means at least one framework knowledge required. Like what are the questions daily asked? Those only interview questions. Yeah, now create LinkedIn, many job portals are there. Okay. Tirumalesh, retrieving data from attribute required. Okay. Okay. Thank you all. Once again, I'm wishing you all the best. Thank you all. If any doubts are there, mail to my mail ID. If any doubts are there, mail to my mail ID. Okay. Non-technical doubts, contact admin only. Non-technical doubts, contact admin. G2EE Java EE Enterprise Edition. That is first class I explained. Tirumalesh, bean purpose will write like that. Okay. Thank you all. If any doubts are there, mail to my mail ID. So once again, all the best.